Dear students, this is question number 7, exercise 1A. It's book D4, 8th edition. So what is the question? It is given that x is a perfect square such that 0 till the value of x is between 0 till 70, and the set n is x ratio x is a perfect square, perfect cube such that the value of x would be between 0 till 70. First part is list all the elements of m and n in a set notation. So first read the question carefully. सबसे पहला पार्ट क्या गिवन है? x की वैल्यू जो है वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है बिटवीन 0 till 70. 0 से 70 तक के बीच में जितने भी नंबर्स हैं जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर के बीच में आते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल 1 1 1 ज़ा 1 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 3 3 sorry, so 4 should be over here. 4 is a perfect square. And 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64. These are the numbers that are perfect square. ये सारे numbers between 0 till 70 हैं जो कि perfect square है. Now we have to find out perfect cube. क्यूब क्या होते हैं? क्यूब एक ही नंबर को, सेम नंबर को 3 टाइम्स जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो क्यूब बन जाता है. सो 1 1 ज़ा 1 एंड 1 ज़ा 1, सो 1 1 ज़ा 1, सो आंसर वुड बी 1 का क्यूब भी 1 होगा. 2 का क्यूब क्या होगा? 2 2 ज़ा 4 एंड 4 2 ज़ा 8, सो द क्यूब ऑफ 2 इज 8. 3 का क्यूब क्या होगा? 3 3 ज़ा 9 एंड 9 3 ज़ा 27. 4 का क्यूब क्या होगा? 4 4 ज़ा 16, 16 4 ज़ा 64. सो वी हैव रीच्ड these 4 are the numbers that are between 0 till 70 that are cube numbers. हमने perfect square भी निकाल लिए set m में, और set n के अंदर हमने perfect cubes निकाल लिए. Now move to part 2. This is part 2. What is part 2? Find out m intersection n. हमें m intersection n निकालना है. It's mean intersection का meaning मैंने आपको last video में भी बताया था, common, वो elements जो दोनों के अंदर कॉमन हो. सो वी कैन चेक 1 इज कॉमन इन बोथ एंड 8 इज नॉट कॉमन, 27 इज ऑल्सो नॉट, बट 64 इज कॉमन. सो दिस इज 64. ओके, नाउ मूव टू पार्ट 3. ड्रॉ अ वेन डायग्राम टू रिप्रेजेंट द सेट m and n. So now I am drawing, see, this is Venn diagram, this is set m and n. I will write the common elements over here. 1 and 64 are common, and 4 9 16 25 36 and 49 in set m. The elements of set n are, 1 is already written, 8 and 27. 64 is also common. So we have done question number 7. Now move to question number 8. What is question number 8? It is given that x is a multiple of 8 such that the values of x are from 0, greater than 0 and less than and equal to 32. And the values of q are, x is a multiple of 4 such that the value of x is greater than 0 and less than and equal to 32. The first part is list all the elements of p and q in set notation. So we have to write down the elements of p and q in set notation. So I am writing multiple of 8. 8 के मल्टीपल 32 तक होने चाहिए, 0 से बड़े और 32 तक. So 8, 16, 24 and 32. These are the multiple of p. Sorry, these are the multiple of 8, and we have made this. We have written the elements of p in set notation. Now set q. What are the multiples of 4 less than and equal to 32? So I am writing multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and 32. So we have done part 1. Now move to part 2. This is find p intersection q. I already told you what is intersection in previous videos. Intersection means common elements. So कौन से elements हैं जो common हैं, जो p and q both में हैं? This is 8 and 16 and 24 and 32. So we have done part 2 as well. Now move to part 3. This is part 3. Draw a Venn diagram to represent set P and Q. हमें एक Venn diagram बनानी है जिसमें हमें elements of P and Q को show करना है. So this is the P, and for Q I have made this P and Q. So element of P are 8, but 8 is common. So 8 I would write over here. Then 16 is also common. 24 is also common, and 32 is also common. So we have done with elements of P. Elements of P में और Q में दोनों में है, और ये साइड हमें शो करती है कॉमन जो एलिमेंट्स P and Q दोनों में है. Now elements of Q are 4 and 8 is already done. Now write down 12. 16 is already done. 20. 24 is done. 28. 32 is also done. So we have made the Venn diagram and we have completed part 3. Now move to part 4. Is P intersection Q is equals to P explain. Now part 4 is P intersection Q is equals to P. क्या P intersection Q P के इक्वल है? Now we have already solved in part 2. P intersection Q हमने सॉल्व किया था, उसके एलिमेंट्स थे 8, 16, 24 एंड 32, और P के एलिमेंट्स हैं 8, 16, 24 एंड 32. सो P intersection P इज इक्वल्स टू P C, दोनों इक्वल हैं. सो वी विल राइट द आंसर येस, और हमें एक्सप्लेन भी करना है बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में लिखा था एक्सप्लेन. सो इसको एक्सप्लेन हम किस तरह करेंगे? येस, बिकॉज द एलिमेंट्स are similar or same. Okay, we have completed question number 8. Thanks for watching my video.